Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate Shopify with Amazon at 2026. But before, we will need to understand what Shopify and Amazon integration really means and what's the relation between both of them. So there are a few different types of integrations. First one is selling your Shopify products on Amazon. List and manage Amazon Marketplace from Shopify. The second is syncing the inventory and orders, so automatic updates between Shopify and Amazon. Even you can use the Amazon fulfillment like MCF or FBA for orders from Shopify. You can also import Amazon products like affiliate or own listings into Shopify. And there are some requirements before you start. So to connect your Shopify store with Amazon Marketplace for selling, you must have an Amazon professional seller account. Like individual accounts aren't supported for API integrations. And an active Shopify store, the integration only works in in your Shopify plan and catalog or fully set up. Okay. And also, Amazon requires valid products identifier or identifiers like UPS, EN, etc. So to create listings, and you will need to map these in your Shopify products data. So what to do, we'll need to go to the Shopify Marketplace Connect. And right there we can connect Shopify and Amazon with each other, okay? So what it does: let Shopify products on Amazon, sync inventory levels, sync orders back into Shopify, offer fulfillment choices like merchants or Amazon FBA and MCF. We talked about that, okay? So how to set up? Well, you will need just go to your Shopify admin right here, and then just go and click on the settings, and then scroll a little bit down and then go with the apps option. After that, you will need to go with Shopify App Store. First, look for Amazon just right here. Okay, and if you can't find it right here, go back and go with markets from here. So if you already active your Shopify store or your Shopify admin, you will be able to see an option just in this page says connect Amazon account. So you will need just to click it and log into your Amazon Seller Central and authorize access. Then just complete the Amazon connection checklist like map products, identifiers, and price, inventory rules too. And also you will need to sync products and manage listing rights from Shopify. You can also adjust default for pricing, quantity, and fulfillment. For example, merchants versus FBA. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.